And welcome back to part 2 of Rototiller No Start, non-running. I'm Eric. You are watching the My Garage YouTube channel. I appreciate you. My video skills are horrible. I'm getting there. I'm trying. We left off. I was putting this plastic cover back over the carburetor. I had to put the rod back on for the governor. The spark plug boot has a rip in it, and I think that might be part of why it wasn't starting because it was arcing out. So, shall we? Yeah, I think we should. See if we can get this old girl to start up. Alright. But before, if you could please like, subscribe, hit that notification button so that way you don't ever miss an episode of where I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm going to do it anyway. Let's go. Ready? Choke is on, fuel is there, ready to go. Oh, look at that. I'm on. I have not messed with any of the settings on here, but the only adjustments on this, just for the throttle set, or the idle, it's still arcing off that plug wire. I think that could be part of the issue still. I don't know. That's why I say don't do what I do, because I don't know what I'm doing. And everything's gotta be these damn son of a gun Torx bits on this thing. It's a Craftsman, it's a Briggs & Stratton, not 6.5 horse. I'm gonna try putting the air cleaner on. I'm not saying that's gonna work. Maybe it's sucking too much air. Had to open the garage door a little bit, maybe get a little bit of airflow through here. It's hot today. Man, I hate the hot weather. Sun keeps coming and going. It can't make up its mind where it wants to be. Plastic screw. Oh boy. I hope everybody is having a good day. It's Sunday. This video will be put up today. This is the part 2 of the Rototiller No Start. I'm probably going to tear all this stuff back off again. And I am certain I got another rubber boot that I can put on. On the spark. Get off of there. Less baby spiders in the front now. I do have another boot I can put on for the spark plug. How irresponsible of me. Ouch. Where is my oil checker? Oh yeah. Lots of oil. I didn't see no oil pressure. Some of these have a sensor on them, low oil sensor, that the oil's low, it will not run. That way there won't be any damage to the motor. So maybe we're just getting too much air into it because the carburetor isn't fully exposed. I don't know. I'm not a professional. I know nothing of what I am doing, but I like to do it anyway. Let's go. Hip it! Can we get some started here? This thing hasn't run in a while, so if you know rototillers, they're a pain. Help me fully get it. Full throttle. I think maybe if I let it run for a little bit, it'll clean it out because it's got a bunch of garbage still in it. A lot of bad gas. Said there's not a lot of, the only adjustment that I seen on the carburetor was just adjusting it for the idle. Like that. Now let's see if it'll fire up again. I think she's still got a lot of bad gas in her. I take all this part off, take this off again, flush the carburetor out, or flush the gas tank out with a bunch of good gas. I gotta take the gas tank off and the top covers and stuff off in order to get to the spark plug so I can put a new boot on it. Yeah, you see it run, so I just got to do a little bit of tweaking and fine tuning, and there it is. Not too bad. Now I gotta go to the grocery store and stuff for the wife, but that's how it is. Yeah, so I'm just going to, I don't even need to take that out to get the whole shooting match off in it. So this is going to come back off. I'm going to take the gas tank off and clean it out. And then going to get the top cover off it so I can get the spark plug boot replaced. Let's see what we got. I got a little, let me swing you guys around here. Oh, there goes my squeeze bottle. I picked this little guy up, or it was given to me. And it sat for quite a while. I got it to run yesterday. I dropped my squeeze bottle again. And this, oh, pardon me. My bad. Let's see if this little guy will start up. It's gonna smoke a little bit because like I said, it's been setting. Give her a couple pushes on the old choker there. Let's see, ready? Ouch, there's a garage door right there. Now all I need to do is take it out to the backyard, hook the hose up to it, see if the pump works. If it works, it works. If it don't, I don't know what. Maybe I'll do a little short snippet of that. Got a couple of weed eaters on the ground right here. The red one, the fuel line is not in the tank, it's gone. The yellow one, it just does not act like it wants to start. Oh no, wait, no, I had this one running yesterday, but now I can't get it going again today, so we'll try it. Much make a liar of me. Isn't that how it always works? I'll be a son of a monkey's uncle. That red one, I already looked in the gas tank of it. This is an older one. This is an old snapper. I mean, I don't know how to read the serial codes on them or whatever to figure that out. But when I took off the gas cap, you can see where the fuel line goes in at the top. The filter and stuff's in there, but I just normally replace all that. I'm gonna try to get that going for her as well. But there's two of them going. Where's that other little contraption? Here it is. I got a bunch of things to work on for her. She brought over a bunch of stuff. Ooh. This is a little edger. It's got gas in it. Oh, we're feeding up through there. Well, let's see. I don't know. On the mouse switch, do we have spark? That's going to help figure it out. It's oh, that's not the right spark plug socket here, is it? Nope. 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 Yeah. One more time. Perfect. Hold that for me. Just set it some kind of where. Ah, no spark. No spark. There's something. I'm going to take all that apart. Oh, let me get up here and it's bending over garbage. That's just the throttle. I call this a toe cutter offer. We'll fiddle with that one a little later. So my main deal today was, let me move you back over here and stand. My main goal today was getting this started and at least, oh pardon me, my recording skills are horrible. One of my main goals was at least getting this started, so I know that I just gotta fiddle with a couple little things. And then wanted to get them all going today, but she said she'd be happy with only one of them running. I got two of them running. I do not like this hot weather. But as you can see, this runs. Probably still working some of the old nasty gas out of it. I put some fresh in, it's probably not enough. I'm going to take this back off, take the gas tank off, rinse it off, take the top cover off so I can get to the spark plug and the coil. I do have a junk more parts. I'm going to do that and then air the tires up, grease all the grease fittings on it, and then we'll go from there. But I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the bell notification if you want. I know I don't have fancy intro music and all that stuff, and yeah, it is what it is. I've seen a huge variety of videos out there where people do all kinds of things and stuff that they like to do, and this is what I like to do, so I figured, why not? I do have stickers, shirts upon request. I'm not going to make 100 million of them, that way I'm stuck with them. If you want a shirt, let me know. I'm going to do probably 25 or 30 bucks for a sticker and a shirt, because that'll help. Shipping will be included in the price of all that. That way I can keep the cost down for me and the cost down on your end. We'll just see how it goes. Appreciate you. Hope you're having a good day and have a better tomorrow. I'm Eric from My Garage Studios. We'll see you when we see you. Later.